Hello students, this is class class third C. Class third C. GSC and date is 28th to 2020. We are going to make revision. Lesson 6, safety rules. Lesson 6. Revision. So once again you have to see page number 34. Safety rules. Safety rules protect us from accidents. Everywhere safety rules. That may be on the road, in the school, or the home, everywhere. So we have to follow these safety rules to prevent accidents. So once again, everyone wants a safe and protected life, but when something happens suddenly and causes damage or injury, it is called an accident. An accident can happen anytime and anywhere. So accidents has no specific place or a specific time. It may take place anytime and anywhere. You must follow safety rules everywhere. So you must follow safety rules everywhere. At home, in a school, or on the road. So safety at home. First, safety at home. Safety at home. Never play with sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors, and other tools. They may cut your skin. Actually, kitchen is not a place for the playing. So you should never play with sharp things in the kitchen. Never play with fire never play with fire. Be careful while lighting matches, candles, stoves, and firecrackers. Always blow off the matchstick before throwing it up. This is very important. Always blow off the matchstick before throwing it away. And never play with plug points. Never touch switches with wet hands. You may get an electric shock because water is the conductor of electricity. Never leave your things like school bag, books, toys, shoes here and there. You may fall, put them in their proper place. So they may kept in their proper places. So never keep your shoes, books, copies, pencils, rubber cutter, etc. here and there. They must be kept at their proper places. Never take medicine on your own. Medicine take without a doctor's advice can be very serious. So, when needed, you have to take medicine with advice of doctors. And never play on terrace or rooftop. You may fall down. Play in the park or in an open ground only. So terrace or rooftop is not place for the playing. If you need, you play only in parks or in open ground. And safety at school. Now, safety at school. Safe in school, safety needed. In school also safety needed. So, do not run up or down the staircase. Take only one step at one time. Do not push or pull anybody. Next, do not throw paper or other objects on the floor, as someone might slip on them and fall. Do not run or play So next one, do not run or play in the classroom. The sharp corners of desks can hurt you badly. And next, do not throw paper planes, paper clips, pins, pencil, etc. at one another. They can cause serious eye injuries. This is also very important thing. You have to not throw anything in the classroom on other students. They can cause injury to your eyes. Do not push while entering or leaving the classroom, and do not play games roughly. Do not play near thorny hedges or barbed wires. Wait for your turns at the swing, seesaw or slide. Now next, safety on the road. Safety on the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing, first look towards your right, then left and then right again. If it is clear, only then cross the road. So, next one, always wait for your turn to board the bus, and always walk on the footpath, and always keep left while cycling. So next one, first aid. First aid. Now first aid is the immediate help given to an injured person until full medical treatment is available. It gives temporary relief, reduces bleeding and saves the person. It prevents serious injury and enhances the recovery. So immediate help which is given to the victim is called first aid. First aid is First aid provide temporary relief, and after giving first aid, immediately patient must be sent to hospital. And when someone gets hurt or fall down, you may need to give first aid. So that's for today. Next time we will discuss about the worksheet 6. Thank you. That's for today.